So, it's time to introduce our baby chicks to the flock. So the older birds are coming to check them out. You have to keep them separate for a little while, otherwise they fight each other because they're not used to each other. So they're just saying hello. This is Zumi. Hi, Zumi. Saying hello to the new birds. And then we got two littles here that still have not figured out how to get downstairs. What you doing? There's food and water down there. Go say hello. Hey, Brahma. So once we introduce the new babies to the rest of the flock, they will have to reestablish their pecking order. That means they have to decide which chickens are in charge and which chickens are not in charge. So they fight a little bit and they peck at each other a little bit until they've figured it all out. Is that right, Brahma? Tell us about it. Hey, Mama. That's Mama Hen. Mama Hen is one of my oldest birds. We call her Mama because she hatched a few eggs once. Mama Hen survived a possum attack, an owl attack, and a hawk attack. So she is one tough lady.